Do you think you know how to do a push-up? Then let me tell you an uncomfortable truth. Most people do push-ups the wrong way and don't even realize it. Worse, some are overloading their shoulders and lower back thinking they're getting stronger. Could that be you? Today, I'm going to show you the 5 most common push-up mistakes and how to fix each one so you can build real strength. Mistake 1. A broken body in the middle. The first classic mistake. Hips sagging or sticking up too high. This turns the push-up into a lower back killer. Think of your body like a wooden plank. If it bends in the middle, it breaks. Brace your core and squeeze your glutes before you even start going down. Your core is the foundation of the exercise. Without a strong foundation, the building collapses. Mistake 2. Hands too wide or too narrow. Hands too wide destroy your shoulders. Too narrow, and you overload your wrists. Place your hands just below your shoulders, fingers slightly spread, as if you're gripping the floor. This distributes force better and protects your joints. Mistake 3. Elbows flared out. If your elbows look like chicken wings, we've got a problem. Keep your elbows at about a 30 to 45 degree angle from your body, not glued to your sides, not flared out. This small adjustment changes everything. More chest, more triceps, and less shoulder pain. Mistake 4. Half range of motion. Only going halfway down isn't a push-up. It's an illusion. Lower yourself until your chest gets close to the floor, then push back up, fully extending your arms without locking your elbows. It's like reading a book while skipping pages. You miss half the story. Mistake 5. Going too fast. A lot of people think push-ups are a race. They're not. Lower yourself in 2 seconds, pause for 1 second at the bottom, and push up with control. Control creates muscle tension. Tension builds strength. Recap: the perfect push-up. Body aligned like a plank core and glutes engaged, hands under the shoulders, elbows slightly tucked. Full range of motion and control. Now I challenge you. Do 10 perfect push-ups, exactly the way you learned here. I bet they'll feel much harder and way more effective. It's not about doing more reps. It's about doing them better. Train with intention. Fix your technique, and your body will respond. Before you go, did this change the way you do push-ups? If it helped you even a little, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need better technique. Now tell me in the comments, which mistake were you making without realizing? Share this video with that friend who thinks they do perfect push-ups but actually doesn't. You might save their shoulders. And if you want to train smarter, avoid injuries, and build real strength, subscribe to the channel. New videos every week to help you get stronger the right way. See you in the next workout. Let's get better, not just tired.